blood running.
Oh, it always helps. I thank you for it. Trial by combat. Deciding a man's guilt or innocence in the eyes of the gods by having two other men hack each other to pieces. Tells you something about the gods. How much longer?
Soon.
I think my champion stands a chance. Oberyn Martell, the Red Viper of Dawn. You don't get a name like that unless you're deadly, right?
Never seen him fight.
Oh, he's going to die. I'm going to die.
Oberyn believes in himself.
That's putting it mildly. What's the punishment for regicide? Drawing and quartering, hanging, breaking at the wheel.
Beheading.
Seems rather ordinary. And he's my nephew as well, so there's that. Fratricide is brothers, filicide is sons, nepoticide, that's the one. Matricide, patricide, infanticide, suicide. There's no kind of killing that doesn't have its own word.
Cousins.
Cousins. You're right. There is no word for cousin killing. Well done. Do you remember Cousin Orson? Orson Lannister?
Of course. Wet nurse dropped him on his head and left him simple.
Simple. He used to sit all day in the gardens crushing beetles with a rock. Oh, nothing made him happier.
Nothing made you happier. You think being tormented from birth would have given you some affinity for the inflicted?
Oh, on the contrary. Laughing at another person's affliction was the only thing that made me feel like everyone else.
Joke wore thin, though.
For you, you drifted away.
I had other interests.
Yes, other interests. But I stayed with Orson.
Why?
Well, I was curious. You know, why was he smashing all those beetles? What did he get out of it? First thing I did was ask him, Orson, why are you smashing all those beetles? He gave me an answer. Smash the beetles! Smash them! Coon, coon, coon! I wasn't deterred. I was the smartest person I knew. Surely I had the wherewithal to unravel the mysteries that lay at the heart of a madman. So I went to Maester Valeric's library.
Valeric tried to touch me once.
Turns out far too much has been written about great men and not nearly enough about morons. Doesn't seem right. In any case, I found nothing that would illuminate the nature of Orson's affliction or the reason behind his relentless beetle slaughter. So I went back to the source. I may not have been able to speak with Orson, but I could observe him, watch him. The way men watch animals come to a deeper understanding of their behavior. And as I watched, I became more and more sure of it. There was something happening there. His face was like the page of a book, written in a language I didn't understand, but he wasn't mindless. He had his reasons. I became possessed with knowing what they were. I began to spend inordinate amounts of time watching him. I'd eat my lunch in the garden, chewing my mutton to the music of kun, kun, kun. When I wasn't watching him, I was thinking about him. My father droned on about the family legacy. And I thought about Orson's beetles. I read the histories of the Targaryen conquests. Did I hear dragon wings? No, I heard kun, kun, kun. And still, I couldn't figure out why he was doing it. And I had to know, because It was horrible that all these beetles should be dying for no reason.
Every day around the world, men, women, and children are murdered by the score. Who gives a dusty fuck but a bunch of beetles?
I know, but still, it filled me with dread. Piles and piles of them. Years and years of them. How many countless living, crawling things smashed and dried out and returned to the dirt. In my dreams, I found myself standing on a beach of beetle husks, stretching as far as the eye could see. I woke up crying, weeping for their shattered little bodies. I tried to stop Orson once.
He was twice your size.
Well, he just pushed me aside with a kun and kept on smashing. Every day until that mule kicked him in the chest and killed him. So, what do you think? Why did he do it? What was it all about?
I don't know.